user interface is a big priority. So you don't have to go back and do all the extra work. It's very simple to use, basically. Here we have an Extend tab in PODS website where we have public packages that have been added. Wow, there's been a lot since I've last been in here. This is a great question because I almost didn't cover that. A lot of things are already done. So if you want to have a checkbox radio input, this is just a package here created. You copy and paste it into. I think this guy didn't do it right. Anyways, I did one here called Pick One, and what it does is it's a package. You import it, and it's just a helper called Pick One, and you can use it with your code. I didn't have a lot of time to cover everything you can do with PODS, but definitely check out the website, check out the user guide, check out the forums. There might be some very great questions you can ask in the forum that we can try to help answer. I'm on the Twitter account a lot of the time, so Matt gets on the Twitter account every now and then, but more than likely you're going to talk to me, so feel free to hit up the Twitter account. I check the Twitter account more than I check the forums because the Twitter account's so easy to just little bits of information instead of having to read a whole thread. So I guess let me know if you have any questions later on, tonight, tomorrow, next week. You have a question, Mark?
Yeah, I can't remember. Does PODS allow you to secure individual fields by role?
Yes, it does. You can add an input helper that says if this input helper, it's a combination. It's a two combo. You have an input helper. It says if this user is not this user level or if they're not that user capability, don't show the input helper, just hide it. Or you can do a before helper to make sure that even if they got around that, it makes sure the data is not saved. And right now you can even do it before then. When you put out your, I'll show you the public forum function real fast. We have public forums here. So I can easily make this array automated. So I can say if the user is this role, show them these columns, and if they're this role, show them these other columns. So you don't have to go too complex into things. But yeah, just send me an email. I have cards out here, like a ton of cards I just got yesterday. You have a question?
Can you create a distribution more to download?
Yes. You can do, well, basically what you can do with PODS is anything you can do with programming. It's really a framework to make it easier, but I would say anything possible it can be done with PODS. I've done so much the last year, I couldn't even list everything I've done with it. I've built an entire internal web application for a company I used to work for. They ran all their internal stuff. You can use anything that you imagine. So it's very, very versatile. All right. Well, it was great speaking to you guys. Hopefully I got a little bit to you, into your brain about PODS and how it works, and maybe you understand just maybe about 1% more than you did before, but hopefully a lot more. So I'll be available hopefully this week and later on tonight. You can email me, have my information on my card, so feel free.